How to install LEVOLOR Trim+Go fabric, solar, and vinyl roller shades, outside mount. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: metal tape measure, pencil, flathead or Phillips head screwdriver, drill with 1/8 inch bit, a ladder or step stool if needed. Unpack your shade. Remove and set aside brackets and included hardware. Slide the hem bar into the bottom of the shade. First, measure the width of the shade tube from end to end. This width will determine where your mounting holes go. Next, mark bracket positions outside the window frame. And drill your pilot holes. Then, install each bracket using 2 of the supplied screws. Now, install the shade by inserting the right side pin first, then sliding the left side tab in the slot. Use both hands to raise and lower shade. You're all set and ready to start enjoying your LEVOLOR shade today, tomorrow, and every day.